In today's video, you will learn how to adjust spacing in Google Docs. Adjusting spacing helps make your document cleaner and easier to read. Start by opening your Google Docs file and highlighting the text you want to change so the formatting only applies to that section. Next, go to the top menu and click Format, then hover over Line and Paragraph Spacing. You will see options like Single, 1.15, 1.5, and Double Spacing. Single keeps text tight, while 1.5 adds more space for better readability. Double spacing gives the most room and is often used for formal or academic documents. You can also use add space before paragraph or add space after paragraph to separate sections without changing the line spacing itself. If you need exact control, the custom spacing option lets you set precise values. Once you choose a setting, it applies instantly and improves the overall look of your document, making it more structured and professional. Thank you for watching the video.